Here it is. Backwards. Intake forward. Just kidding. I was just checking if I have clearance on the actual piston. See that? It sticks out a little bit. But then again, that could probably give you more compression. And I noticed this one has a little small lip. So that probably meets just right there. So I just stuck it on there. See if it goes up or something. Plus there's a head gasket. I didn't want to. Yeah, it fits in there once it's snugged. This is the 6mm bolts. For some reason, I guess it gets a little bit wider. When it comes down to it, but now it's about tearing apart this engine, putting all the guts onto a different case. Maybe not this one, but yeah. Alright guys, you'll see a video of it pretty soon.